Okay, we have a Jura Z6 that has had some troubles with what's called the ceramic valve. That's the ceramic valve. So it started leaking up top here. I tried using some JB Weld Bond to fix that. Then it started not doing cleaning cycles correctly, and making milk either, foaming milk. So I ordered a replacement. See if we can fix this. Opening this machine is not a trivial thing to do, and I've made a whole video about how to do that. There are even special tools required, and I tell you how to get those, so please check that out before attempting this repair yourself. After opening the side of the machine, the first thing you need to do is remove 2 Torx screws that hold the ceramic valve frame into place. This will allow you to swing the ceramic valve out and get access to the tubes. The second thing you need to do is there is one tube behind the top of the ceramic valve that needs to be manually disconnected by getting your hand in behind it. You do this by holding the ceramic valve in one hand and using your other hand to reach behind and find the small silicon tube that needs to be pulled off of the ceramic valve head. At this point, we have to remove the black plastic frame that holds the ceramic valve in place in the machine. This is the same frame that was removed at the beginning with the 2 Torx screws. There's also a little black plastic tab that holds this to the ceramic valve, and you can see you need to use a little bit of pressure with a screwdriver to pry a little tab open to remove the valve away from the black plastic frame. This black plastic frame can then be slid on to the new valve. At this stage, you should have the new ceramic valve beside the old ceramic valve and carefully take each one of the silicon tubes and move it from its old position to the new identical position on the new valve. There is one that's a little bit tricky that has a pin that needs to be removed. Once you pull the pin off, you can pull the plastic housing off, put it on the new one, and then replace the pin. At this point, you should remove the electrical connectors from the old ceramic valve from the back circuit board from the machine. You can see here in yellow that I've circled the 2 locations where they need to be attached. Make sure you get the colors in the correct direction and the headers in the right location on the circuit board. Also, be mindful of the wiring location and how it's routed through the back of the machine. There are a couple of places where you can route the wires so that they're neat and tidy and tucked away as they were originally installed. At this point, we're almost finished, and all you have to do is reassemble the machine the way it was by putting back the ceramic valve using the black plastic frame and putting the Torx screws back in place where they were, making sure that all the cables and the little tubes are in the right place and look neat and tidy. There's a longer, more detailed version of this video on my YouTube channel, and while you're there, please subscribe. Every new subscriber really helps a lot. Thanks.